Restoring full access to your Robinhood account after security checks can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a guide to help you navigate through it. Step 1. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Check your email. Look for any emails from Robinhood regarding your account status. They may have sent you specific instructions or requests for additional information. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder as well. Step 3. Update security settings. Once you have access to your account, navigate to the security settings. Update your password and enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. This will enhance your account security and may help in regaining full access. Step 4. Contact customer support. If you are still facing issues, reach out to Robinhood's customer support. You can do this through the app or the website. Provide them with all necessary information and be ready to answer any questions they may have. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting any required information or requests, wait for confirmation from Robinhood. They will notify you via email or in-app notifications once your access has been fully restored. Be patient as this process may take some time. Following these steps should help you regain full access to your Robinhood account after security checks. If you encounter any further issues, don't hesitate to seek additional support.